Imagine running your very own social media marketing agency all from within one powerful dashboard. One of the biggest problems for any business today is growing a presence on social media, consistently posting, replying to comments, designing graphics and managing ads, finding new content, getting new leads. The list is endless. How's it all possible? Welcome to OneSoci Agency, the all-in-one social media marketing platform that allows you to manage multiple clients' accounts, pages, groups, and posts on all of the most popular social media sites. Grow your own team of social media managers to run all of your clients' accounts and assign tasks to your designers, marketers, analysts, and more. With built-in Facebook ads, API access, ad image creation, budgeting, and go live is all done from OneSoci Agency, even custom audiences and detailed targeting. With templates and our ad designer, campaigns take seconds. Plus social content made easy. 1. Curate targeted videos, gifs, and articles based on chosen keywords. 2. Design stunning graphics with the post designer. And 3. Post, share, and schedule content to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn with the social poster. Finally, add one-click opt-ins, deep analytics, and full integration with YouZign and Dropmock. OneSoci Agency is your all-in-one social media marketing platform. Sign up and create your own agency today.